Just as our real world has rules and regulations, the online world has them too. And while you might not be surprised to see a fellow student disciplined for behaviors in the classroom or the school building that go against those rules, there's been an increasing number of instances recently where schools are disciplining their students for breaking the rules of the digital world. Whether it's cyberbullying, threats of violence, or derogatory or hateful speech, some students are finding themselves in hot water over the choices they have made in their digital lives. Supporters of the decisions to discipline students for their online behavior argue that it's done out of the interest in keeping students safe. However, some people argue that monitoring student social media content is a violation of student privacy and could lead to decisions made on misinformation. For this lesson, we will discuss the pros and cons of schools monitoring the social media behavior of students. Does it make schools a safer place? Or is it an intrusion into your privacy? Whatever the case may be, one thing that it shows is that the line between your real-world behavior and your digital behavior is evaporating more and more each day.